Basic sight words and sentences. Cub, cub, cub. Den, den, den. The cub is in his den. The cub is in his den. The cub is in his den. Where is the cub? In his den. The cub is in his den. Who is in the den? The cub. The cub is in his den. The cub is in his den. Hen, hen, hen. Sits, sits, sits. Box, box, box. The hen sits in the box. The hen sits in the box. The hen sits in the box. Who sits in the box? The hen. The hen sits in the box. Where does the hen sit on? In the box. The hen sits in the box. The hen sits in the box.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lesson, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCan Tutorial Services.